Futura is an exciting sci-fi adventure. We're talking about teleportation, time travel, space battles, aliens. It's everything that a great science fiction film offers. My name is Ron McPherson. I'm the director and writer of Futura, and we're on episode 2, The Reign of Scorpio.
Hi, my name's Macy Moreno, and I play Allison James in Futura. She's kind of like a female Han Solo in a sense. She's going on these adventures through space. Episode 2, she's been captured by her nemesis, Scorpio.
My name is Greg Martin, and I play Scorpio. I'm not gonna go too deep in it, but there's a little bit of relationship drama and history.
I realize you haven't seen me since you broke my heart.
I'm Ruby Day Tomasic, and I play Aura. She is not afraid to be this powerful woman. She completely owns it.
I'll just explain your accidental death.
Hi, my name is ML Greth. I play the Graph. There's Scorpio, who's the main villain, there's Aura, and then there's the Graph. I like to think of the Graph as sort of like just under middle management.
Bring her.
My name is Max Brown. I was the assistant director in Futura 2. My favorite scene to film in Futura 2 is one of the scenes near the end. We get a whole shift from, oh, these villains are leaving, but it's not over. We get more.
You!
We introduced this character named Metalhead. We killed him off in episode 1, or at least we think we killed him off. When you invent these characters, you see them come to life, you just never know where they're gonna go.
This is a very unique film.
It's fun to watch, and I think you guys will really enjoy it.